Hi, welcome to Metrics Trading Professional. With you is Miracle. I will be showing us how to code, or rather, how to create a buy and sell Forex robot. Meanwhile, it's important to remind you of our last session, which was actually the first session into the series where we'll be discussing forest robot creation. Yeah, we had the introduction in our last video, the introduction of fxdreema, which is the platform that would enable us to create forest robots with zero coding knowledge. It's just a pick and drop approach. So we have the blocks here, which are categorized based on their functions. You use these blocks to achieve what your goal is. So today I'm going straight to show us how to code a buy and sell Forex robot. I actually don't want to be using the word code because actually we are not writing any code. We are just using the pick and drop blocks here. So the first thing we will do in achieving this buy and sell EA is to create a project. So let me create the project. So you click on new and then MT5 buy slash sell, and we click on create. So we have our space. This is our workspace. So the first thing you have to select is to come to this tab, check position and other counts, select no position, then go here, bring buy, also bring the sell. So this instant execution, we have pending orders also, and then we have grid. Like I said in our introductory session in the last video, we will be able to do justice to this with time, but we are just starting from the basic things. So I need us to follow up with the classes as we keep uploading the videos. Meanwhile, it's important to note that we have the free class and the paid class. So you just have to learn with the free videos or subscribe also to get the paid courses. I'll talk more on it later. So it's very simple. I already have these three blocks here, which is just what I want to use. So I'm not putting in any condition. It's just no trade, then buy, sell the same time also. So this robot is going to pick, buy, and sell at the same time, but the price will be different because of bid and ask. Now we're going to do something. Double click on the buy. We have lot size, we have stop loss, we have take profit. So we'll come to this constant. I told us what we use this to achieve in the previous video, so you can go just watch it. But same thing, pay attention here, you get it. So this is the data type. We're using double because we are going to impute a float data like have decimal points. So we use double. We will not use integer here. So we use double. So the first one, lot size. So I said we have an object name, lot size, and we assign a value to it. So it's going to remain constant throughout the project. So we have 0.1 here. So I can put the same 0.1 here, or I can put one lot size. Then the next one is stop loss. So I can just make it SL. We have 50 pips there. I can just put 30 pips here. I can put the same thing actually, but I decided to just change it. CP 50 is there. Let me put 60 here. So I can copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste here. Same way I can type it, repeat. So each time you do this, you update it. Remember last video I talked about the variable which would change during the project, when you execute it, as the market is unfolding, the variable data would also change following the formula you've inserted for it or other loops and all that. So, but we are going to be using just this. So update, then click on X lot size. So right click here, lot size. Remember, we are using the fixed lot. We have different things we can use here. Can use custom value and all that. So right click here, put the stop loss, right click, take profit, then update. Same thing we'll do here. So why am I doing this? If I don't add a constant here, I won't be able to change the take profit, stop loss, and lot size when I export this EA, when I want to use it on my MT4. It will be just what I have here originally. But for me to be able to change it, like to alter it, I need to use it here, like as in assign it to a constant so that it will be available at the user end. If not, it would only be changed here. So now I'm through with this EA. Like it takes just less than 1 minute to do this. I export it. So when I export, I have to let me share my full screen so that I share it. So sharing the entire screen. So what I do, I just click here and I click on show folder. So this is it. I've been doing lots of jobs. So that's it here. Okay. I copy, then I go to MT5. This is MetaTrader 5. I have to open it. Okay. I click on file, I click on data folder, then it's coming up. All right, I click on MQL5, I don't click on it, then I click on export. If I'm too fast, just go online and search for how to install your Forest robot into your MT4 or 5. Okay, so this is the EA we created. I have this one buy sell now, but that's not the one we are using. We're using this one. Okay, 38. So buy sell, that's the small letter because we'll still see this one there. So we're using this one that has the small letter. So let's go back to the platform. So right here, you can see the capital letter is here. So I right click these experts, these advisors, under the expert folder. So I click on refresh. So you'll see the robot that I pasted there now. It's coming up. So once it comes up, we'll backtest it. Okay, it's up. That's it. So I right click and I click on test. Okay, let me test it on Euro USD. Or rather, let me test on pounds dollar. 15 minutes time frame. I'm testing from October to January this year. Then I'm it's on visual mode, so I need to visualize it. I'm using $10,000 deposit. So input, you see the lot size, I put one, so I can correct it here. Like I can modify here. But if I didn't insert it as a constant, I won't have this opportunity. I won't be able to change anything. All right. So let's assume this now. I want to change it to 20 pips. Or rather, let me change it to 50 pips. Then okay. So let's backtest. So I click on start. That's it here. Let's see how it goes. So let me slow it down. Let me zoom in. So okay, let me explain something. Remember we said no trade, buy, sell. So once there's no trade, it's going to pick buy and sell. You see, buy and sell. One lot size. It has TP and take profit. So let me release it. So it hits stop loss of the sell. So let's see if it's going to hit the take profit of the buy. It hits the take profit. You see, immediately it hit the take profit, it opened another trade. Buy and sell the same time. So let's see. It hit the stop loss of the buy. The sell is active. So it hit the take profit of the sell before it will pick buy and sell again. But that's how we will do it. It would always have buy and sell. When a sell closes, whether TP or SL, it will open another sell, even though the buy is still on. This is a very simple thing. All right. So our robot is doing what we coded, whether it's profitable or not. But this is actually what we put in on the fxdreema, and this is what it's doing. So if you insert this on your normal chart, you are going to get the same result. I think I can do that quickly before I end this. I can do that. So this Euro USD. So let me attach it to this chart. Allow. I'll go trading input. So I'm using the same input. Sorry, let me use 0.01. So I click on OK. Don't run now because the algo trading here is off. So I have to select it. Okay, sorry. This won't pick a trade because this account is not running. It's not running. But if you notice, it's waiting for a peep actually. So there won't be a peep at all. Sorry, it's waiting for a tick. There won't be a movement. The price won't move because this account is not connected. Okay, but this is just it. If it was connected, it would have just picked a trade immediately. So that's it, guys. I really appreciate you for watching this video. If you got value, subscribe to this channel for more content. And then we are putting up we're trying to put up a number of courses together, and you can just access it once with a one-time payment. Part of it is the part that we are going to help you code your strategy. You do it yourself actually after the class, after you follow our classes, other strategies will teach you under this fxdreema. Then you will use fxdreema to build your strategy under our supervision. So it means you are going to learn how to code, or rather how to create your strategy. Then when we are done with that, we'll also give you a source code of our strategy, of which when you have the source code, you can also view it on fxdreema and see how we were able to get that EA done, how we were able to combine different blocks to get that EA done. So these two items that you are going to get alongside the other classes would help you to practice whatever we are going to teach you. So you will practice with coding your own robot, or rather creating your own forest robot using fxdreema, and you would also see how we were able to code, or rather create our own robot using fxdreema. So if you are interested, just check the description and you'll find the links to our social media and our page for the course. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.